Alright, well, we're back in the S4, and I just want to be clear, this is something that's been well documented and something that I didn't do my research well enough on. But you'll notice if I turn the car on, you hear that rattling? I think I may have ruined my flex pipes. You really can't hear it back here, though. This is not a sponsored video. This is something that I should have done a long time ago and didn't do. What we got in here is some Mopar parts. You been to America? These are Mopar parts that make your car go faster. Got a V8 motor? Mopar parts. What they are, if I can open them, what these are basically big rubber weights, and what they do is sit on the side of your exhaust and help with preventing that vibration by adding weight to it. The hope is that this will get rid of my rattling noise and it'll help save my flex pipes. I do have the JHM high flow catted downpipes on the way, but until then this should hopefully save my flex pipes. They say the best places to put these are in front of your downpipe resonators, so that's where I'm going to put these, one on each side. And I guess we'll go see if it makes a difference. It is genuinely cold outside. It's fall. Fall is here for sure. My one concern with this is that I've already torn through the flex pipes. If I get under there and I have a hole in my flex pipes, again, I have the new downpipes coming, but I'm really concerned that I've ruined the stock downpipes. If I haven't, these should help. Originally, I noticed the noise, even when I just had the AW Touring catback on there, right around 1800 RPMs, and the reason that it pushed me to reach out actually to my buddy Patrick over at Blacklist Builds is the noise got much worse, and he recommended these. He says he has it on his exhaust setup and it helped a lot. So I'm hoping that the noise getting much worse is just things loosening up, and these should fix that. But if it's not, then we're in a little bit more trouble, and we're gonna have to replace the downpipe sooner than expected. Well, I'm pretty sure my flex pipe is ruined, because watch this. You hear that? I don't think it's supposed to do that. I think this edge is supposed to be tucked in there. I think I may have a wicked exhaust leak right here. Well, this is one of those things that's nearly impossible to film, but the thing's on. The exhaust damper's on. I tightened it down. It sits right here in front of the resonators. I do think that my flex pipes are really messed up, and I think that's the issue. The one on the driver's side specifically. Well, let's start it here if that made any difference. No, it's definitely the flex pipe that's messed up. Listen to this. It's really frustrating. I'm frustrated with myself for not doing that research, but let's get the one on the other side, I guess. Alright, well, here's the setup. They're one on either side here. That's just kind of where they're going to be, and hopefully it'll stop me doing any more damage to my flex pipes or putting a hole in the passenger side one until the new downpipes come. Well, just for curiosity, even though I know it's going to sound bad, let's hear what it sounds like now. Yeah, it's definitely an exhaust leak, but well, I definitely noticed a difference as far as the vibrations go in the exhaust. It's not making the wicked annoying rattling noise that it did before. If you have an S4 with an aftermarket exhaust, you probably know what I'm talking about. Right around 1800 RPMs when you're either decelerating or sometimes even if you're just revving in neutral, it makes this like rattling noise. I don't know how to describe it. It sounds better than what my exhaust sounds like right now with the exhaust leak. But I guess this is a well-documented issue, and again, it's my fault for not looking into it more. There's a lot of forum posts out there, and I didn't think to look it up. I thought it was something fairly normal. When we did the test pipes, we noticed that rattling got even worse, and probably should have addressed it then, but again, I just left it. I thought it came with the territory, and that was that, and now I have a hole in my flex pipe. So if you have an aftermarket exhaust on your S4, especially if you have test pipes, you should definitely have these dampers on your exhaust if you have the stock downpipes. Hopefully my aftermarket downpipes will remedy this. Again, I'm getting the JHM high flow catted ones, so it'll be interesting to put a high flow cat into the system as well. But until then, you can catch the off-white, gray, whatever color you want to call it, S4 with the wicked exhaust leak cruising around. If you catch up to it, it's me. You'll probably hear it from like 6 miles away. I'll leave a link to the product in the description. Again, I'm not sponsored by this. My buddy Patrick actually sent them to me. But if you're interested in buying them, they're on the website. And by the way, the stock downpipes are 2 1/4 inch, so I went to AutoZone, bought 2 1/4 inch exhaust clamps, and then the damper just hooks into the exhaust clamp. You clamp it on as tight as you can, and well, the hope is that it doesn't fall out. I hope this video served as informational for you guys, especially those of you who have S4s, especially those of you who have test pipes and aftermarket exhaust and are experiencing rattling like me. Would highly recommend doing those dampers sooner than later, especially if you're getting some sort of rattling noise, because your flex pipes will thank you for it. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys for watching. Go out there and spread some positivity, and I will catch you guys in the next video.